Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix error Microsoft Store error encountered. So how to fix it? In this video, we will know that step by step how to fix it. So guys, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe the channel. Here you can find more video related to fix for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 11 and other software. So let's start the video. So guys, right click on start button and after that click here run and type here under open box servich.msc and click here OK button. After that guys, find here is service. So guys, find here in this service list Microsoft Store install service. Okay, you can check here. Right click on it, this service. Right click on it and click here properties. After that, select here startup type as automatic. If this service is stopped, click here start and then click apply and then click OK and restart this service. Okay, restart. Right click on it and restart the service. This service should be running here. After that guys, find here this service. Okay, update service. Restart this service. Right click on it and click here properties. Select here automatic under startup type and after that if service is stopped, start it. Click OK and apply and then find other service here, Windows Update. Okay, if this service is stopped, right click on it, click here properties, select here startup type as automatic and click here start button and apply and then click on OK button. This service should be running here. Okay, after that guys, find here background intelligent service transfer, this service. Start it. Start this service and service should be running here. Close this window and after that restart your machine and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, type here under search box Windows PowerShell, WINDOWS power and click here run as administrator option. Click here yes and type here a command wsreset.exe and press enter from keyboard. You can see here guys, the Microsoft Store automatically launched. Now install any app on your Windows. Click here and click here get. You notice that no error message is displayed here. You can see here download and install is starting here. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you so much.